Hi, it's Paul from HEYNER UK. Today we will change wiper blades for on the Toyota Yaris. That's the one with single long wiper blade on. To remove wiper blade, that's obviously depends what type you've got on your car, but this one you just need to lift the cover and release the hook. This one is a bit worn, so yeah. Always remember to protect your windscreen. Now we will fit the HEYNER hybrid wiper blade. That's size 28 on the 28-inch 700mm on the hook wiper arm. We've got wiper blade here. First we're gonna put the B1 adapter on and the cover. Now we open the cover, so we can place the hook in and pull it. So the hook goes, plastic hook goes over the wiper arm, like here. Now it's secure, and then we can close the cover and job done. Thank you for watching. See you in next video.